Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the latest single-family detached homes activity for the East Bay. We'll also answer the two biggest burning questions everyone has. Are home prices falling, and should you be buying a house right now in the East Bay? If you're looking for condos and townhome statistics, just comment below and I'll get that to you. Hey guys, my name is Mac Rogers. I'm a real estate broker here in the San Francisco Bay Area. Welcome to the channel. If you're thinking of buying or selling, give us a call, a text, or an email. We absolutely love helping people moving on to their next chapter. Let's start with the update. Let's go to the 880 corridor and look at inventory. Only Albany and Berkeley did not have any increase in inventory. Everywhere else was up. Check out Newark and Union City, 118% and 167% respectively. The rest of the cities up significantly as well. The number of homes sold, Castro Valley and Newark managed a small increase, while San Lorenzo is up a big 77%. All the other cities are significantly down in the number of sold properties. Finally, the median selling price. The numbers are mixed for the 880 corridor. Some are down and some are up. The significant numbers to look at are for Alameda, up a big 18%, and San Lorenzo down a big 10%. That could probably be the reason why San Lorenzo sales almost doubled last month, 10% cheaper. Moving on to West Contra Costa County, inventory are all up across the board. A bit of a caution here though. While percentage-wise it looks big, in terms of actual numbers, it's not. For example, El Cerrito up 67%, but that translates to only 8 additional properties for sale. Richmond is about the only city with real significant increase in inventory, from 59 to 109. The number of homes sold for West Contra Costa County are all down, which is in stark contrast to last month when they were all up. The median sales price in West Contra Costa County is still mixed. El Cerrito, Hercules still managed to go up, while El Sobrante, Pinole, Richmond all down. San Pablo unchanged. Moving on to Central Contra Costa County, it was just like last month. Inventory for all cities increased. Again, a word of caution, some of the increases looks big percentage-wise but not in real numbers. Just like Clayton, up 80%, but that is only 8 additional properties for sale. The number of homes sold last reporting period, only Clayton was up in sales while the rest of the cities are all down. This past month, all are down in number of sales transactions. Home prices are pretty mixed again in Central Contra Costa County. Clayton up 4%, Concord unchanged. Martinez is the only one down 6%. Pleasant Hill up a big 10%. Last month, it was also up 12.72%. Walnut Creek up slightly by 1%. Moving on to La Miranda, inventory all up in La Miranda. Number of sold properties all down in La Miranda. Finally, the median sales price, again, stark contrast to last month when the median sales price was all down. This month, they are all up. Lafayette, a bargain at 1.8. Moraga and Orinda, both above the 2 million mark. Let's head over to the Tri-Valley. Inventory up across the board with Dublin, Pleasanton, and San Ramon all up over 100%. Livermore, the biggest in terms of actual number of increase, from 65 to 129 homes. 64 additional homes for sale. Great for home buyers. Number of sold properties in the Tri-Valley are all significantly down just like last month. Finally, the median sales price. Danville, the only city, up by 7%. Alamo down 8%. Dublin also down 4%. Livermore down slightly by 2%. Pleasanton down 8%. San Ramon down slightly 1%. And finally in the Delta, just like last month, inventory up everywhere. Antioch almost doubling again in the number of inventory. The number of homes sold is also down. Antioch down 39%, Brentwood down 29%, Discovery Bay down 30%, Oakley down 29%, Pittsburgh down slightly 2%. Finally, the median sales price in the Delta, Antioch up 1%, Brentwood up 6%, Discovery Bay, Oakley, and Pittsburgh all down slightly. Looking at the big picture, inventory is actually down when compared to July, but we are up when comparing it to August of 2021. The number of homes sold went up a bit month to month, but it's still significantly down from last year. Median sales price on a month-to-month basis is down, but year-to-year, it's still up slightly. All three things, the number of inventory, the number of transactions, and median sales price, there's no surprise in these numbers. They're all pretty much in line with what most experts predicted or projected. Also, days on the market are climbing everywhere. We're going back to more 3 weeks or more on average before homes get into contract. So the burning question on most people's minds are home prices crashing, and is now a good time to buy? If you look at what I just reported, you will see that prices are pretty much all over the place. I'd love to tell you that there's some sort of pattern here, like the biggest declines are happening above the 1.5 million and above, but that's not true. Some are up and some are down, but mainly I'd say that prices are slightly going down. Now, if you talk to sellers like what I've been doing the last couple of weeks, all of them feel like the market is crashing. I think rightfully so. The reality is that gone are the days of less than a week of marketing times, no more buyers lining up on the streets before the first open house and bidding 10, 15, or 20% over asking. Buyers are actually negotiating again. But then again, when I talk to buyers, a lot of them have this wait and see attitude. There's a belief out there that these home prices will still go down. And look, if I'm being candid, there's probably a good possibility that this happens. I say this because we're beholden to mortgage rates. Home buyer demand is still there, unfortunately not at these mortgage rate levels, which begs the question, where will they be going from here? If you've been thinking of buying a home, you most likely have been watching what's happened with mortgage rates over the past year. It's true, they've risen dramatically, but where will they go from here, especially as the market continues to slow? Here's a summary of the latest mortgage rate forecast from the housing market experts. With all of the turmoil going on, experts are actually projecting mortgage rates will stabilize. While mortgage rates continue to fluctuate due to ongoing inflationary pressures and economic uncertainty, experts project they'll start to stabilize in the months ahead, but not just this coming months. According to the latest projections, mortgage rates are expected to hover in the low to mid 5% range initially and then potentially dip into the high 4% range by later next year. Check out this chart. That could bring some welcome relief and also more buyers again. So far this year, mortgage rates have climbed over 2 percentage points due to the Federal Reserve's response to inflation, and that's made it more expensive to buy a home. And wondering if the rise in rates will continue is keeping some prospective buyers on the sidelines. But now that experts say mortgage rates should stabilize, this gives home buyers a bit of certainty about what they think the future holds. And that may help make home buyers feel more confident about their decision to buy a home. So home prices are not crashing but moderating. Even famed financial guru Dave Ramsey has this to say. If you're in a position to buy or sell, don't wait on a housing market crash because it's not coming. The bottom line, the housing market is undergoing a shift because of higher mortgage rates, but the market is still strong. If you've been looking to buy a home over the last couple of years and felt impossible to do so, now is your opportunity. Buying a home right now isn't easy, but there's more opportunity for those who are looking. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to get updated on what's going on in the real estate market. Thanks and have a great day.